Okay, next topic is about assets in Unreal software. In this software, whatever which you can see in Unreal can be an asset, what you have here. If I want to tell you really simple, they are like some blocks or like Legos. Like this Lego. Each of these blocks can be assembled to create what you are looking for. Each of these blocks are an asset. And there are different modes about these assets, like static meshes, different participles, like materials or textures, and others. Okay, they are two groups in assets. One of them is the assets which you move them to Unreal, like 3D models, which you import from different softwares like 3D Max, Revit. And another type of them are the assets which they exist here in Unreal, like Blueprint or some modeling tools which they are here in Unreal. Here at this section, as you can see them, and you can use them. For this, it's better to create a new folder here in content. And as you can see here in this project, there's a new folder which is mesh, and all of the models are here in this folder mesh. But here I open another file, it's empty, like this. When you open this file, I delete these, delete this one which is migrated from other file, delete first. I delete them like this. Then here, right click and new folder. We can name it, for example, static mesh underscore meshes, like this. Again, another folder. Here, for example, if we want to have material, M underscore materials. Again, another folder here, T underscore textures. So we should try to have folders like this. Okay, now here in static mesh, then here import. I can import a file with one of these formats here, or add, and then here import to or game and others, like this. Or I can have a right click here and import. There is no any difference between these three techniques. Which one you like, it can be possible. For example, I open 3D Max, then here open like this, and I open number 36, for example. Okay. Yes. And I browse about textures here. I should identify textures here according to that path. Add, use path, okay, and continue. P, Control F, Shift F, like this. Okay, this model, for example, you should know that here importing different files to Unreal has some special process and principles. And here we just want to have a simple example, then we will talk about it later. First of all, you need to be careful that the unit of Unreal is centimeter. 1 unit in Unreal means 1 centimeter. So all the models should be in centimeter. For example, when I have a cylinder here, like this, let's check its dimensions. This and height. Okay, 34 in 75. It's almost standard. I mean it's scale. Okay, select, right click in move, and it's in 000, so it's okay. Okay, here, export, we can have different formats. Here we have FBX, ABC, but for now, here I want to use DataSmith. Here. And you need to download it and you need to install it. Search in Google about DataSmith like this. DataSmith plugin 3D Max 2023 or according to your version. Then a link here and Unreal. DataSmith Exporter plugin. Click. Here you can have the plugins of different softwares. Here 3D Max from 2016 till 2023. Download and install. And here SketchUp. Always should be careful about the versions of SketchUp. Navisworks, Revit, and here Rhino, Archicad, SolidWorks, from Z. All of them are here like this. So you can have different plugins for different softwares here. You can download and install them. Here I select DataSmith, then here one. I create a folder here, then I name it static mesh underscore, for example, model. Then in this folder, name and save. Here we can choose the selected or the visibles. I choose visibles. Current frame only or action time. I choose current. Okay. And I close this. Then here.